homosexuals.
Come on, sir.
They break a lot of laws every day, like the Sakari. People are putting things in their butt, and they're smoking weed, and they molest children. Do you understand? They're not keeping all the commandments. They're not. You understand?
Sir.
So there's a law that says you have to obey Jesus Christ. All right. Do someone want to give it to him? I believe one is Deuteronomy 18 and 18 to my memory. There's another one where you have to follow Jesus Christ. There's, of course, the lawgiver out of Judah. There's precepts all over the Old Testament telling you that you have to follow Jesus Christ. Isaiah 52, virtually the whole chapter, is telling you have to follow Jesus Christ and the seed of David. You familiar with those precepts, Pittsburgh? If not, I can give you, the brothers will give you all of them. But there are precepts all over the Old Testament that says that there is a man from the tribe of Judah that you're going to have to follow. He's going to come out of the seed of David, the branch and the lineage of David, and he's your king. Let me hear what Deuteronomy 18 and 18 is. What does that say?
Salaki, one moment.
That could be wrong. I don't recall it, but it's all over.
18 and verse 18.
Let me hear it.
Raise them up a prophet from among their brethren, like unto thee, and will put my words in his mouth, and he shall speak unto them all that I shall command him.
Yeah. Are they keeping that one?
Law, sir.
I don't think they are, Rob, because it said like unto Moses. This is meaning I will raise them up a prophet like unto Moses. What did Moses do? Moses said, let my people go. Moses led the Israelites out of slavery and captivity. There's another prophet coming, and he'll be like you. He'll be like Moses, and you are to obey everything he tells you. Everything. That prophecy, that man is Jesus Christ, a black man from the tribe of Judah. You fake Israelites are already breaking that commandment. You're going to die for your sins.
The water, my Lord.
No problem. The water.